everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have Jakobi here with me. Today's video is going to be about Jakobi. As you read,
my new glasses.
Yes, as you read in the description, we're going to be doing another Zenni review. First of all, we want to thank Zenni Optical for watching our last video. If you haven't seen that, please watch it. Zenni Optical ended up watching our last video and reached out to me because I guess Jakobi stand out to them, and they ended up sending him a free pair. So Zenni Optical has collabed with Coco and Breezy. If you do not know who Coco and Breezy is, Coco and Breezy's are creative twin sisters that are also DJs / producers and co-host of a kids TV show. And if you don't know who they are, here's like a little picture of them, if you can see. A little picture. So yeah, Zenni Optical reached out to us and we got to pick a frame and they sent it to Jakobi for free. So we're gonna do another review on that and we're gonna open that right now with you guys. You ready, bud? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we got our package. We're gonna open them. Okay, so this one,
What's that?
when they reached out to me, I was able to pick out the frame that I wanted, and I wanted to get a frame that
Please, Mickey Mouse.
that we never usually get. As you can see, he likes more of the sporty frames. So this frame is totally a different frame, so I'm really excited for this. So they gave us this little postcard.
Yeah.
So it's the Planet CV X Zenni, the Planet CV by Coco and Breezy, obviously. And then the back just basically says how they collaborated, gives a little bit of information. We hope you rock your new Planet CV glasses. We definitely are. And this says, share your personal affirmation with the world. Our personal affirmation is obviously love yourself, which my channel is dedicated to. So we're gonna get into trying on the glasses. So this is how it came.
Yeah.
So in this one
Is new.
the case says Planet CV by Coco and Breezy X Zenni.
Yep.
Super cute.
Yeah, we're doing a show.
Oh, so it's not a button. It's like a little.
Yeah.
See that?
Clip the.
Okay. I'm really excited to open these. I'm probably more excited to open them than Jakobi. And then we got another card, which looks like it's an affirmation card. The back says fill in the blank, and it says I am blank. We'll let Jakobi answer that. Jakobi, I am
Happy.
happy. That's a good one. Happy. I am happy too. Okay, so here are the glasses.
Those?
Oh my gosh. So the cloth comes with the cloth.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have your collab, the Planet CV by Coco X
comes with
Breezy, X Zenni.
It looks like
And then it has your little affirmations on it where it's I am fearless, I am brave.
It looks like the same thing as this color on the top.
I am a leader.
Card.
It says I am a believer, I am loved, I love this I am. Yes. Okay, so
Let me take my glasses.
these are what the glasses are.
Oh, those are my glasses?
Oh my god, these are so cute! Okay, so
Oh, those my
here's
glasses?
the frame.
Frame.
So it's white and gold. And then the sides of it are gonna have like this clear acrylic, which I really love. And then it's gonna go down into this textured, as you can see that. It has like the texture on it. Super. I love the quality of these. Okay, take off your glasses. Okay, I want you to try these on.
Ooh, I can see everything.
Let's see. So what do you think?
Good. I want to go in the mail.
Do you want to what?
Go in the mail. Can I be
Oh, you
right
want to
back?
look in the mirror? Okay,
No, I'm just going to look right now.
look in the mirror.
Ooh, that looks good.
What do you feel like? I think they look really good on you. Yes. What do you guys think? We want to say thank you, Zenni, again. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
Until next time, stay lovely, but more importantly, love yourself. Bye.
Bye.